Hello investors, welcome back to your daily UAE market recap. Today's session brought some excitement, especially for Emaardev shareholders, who saw the stock among top gainers, surging 10.32% to close at 10.80 dirhams. This massive gain contributed to a strong lift in Dubai's DFMGI index. By the way, in our last weekly analysis, we shared the list of companies whose earning date lies in this week, and Emaardev's earning released yesterday. And wow, what a solid performance. In the first 9 months of 2024, January to September, Emaardev reported revenue of 12.5 billion dirhams and an EBITDA of 6 billion dirhams, that is 69% and 35% higher than first 9 months of 2023 respectively. That's why tracking earnings dates is crucial. This growth is not only significant for the company but also a strong market indicator. Now let's move over to UAE's both exchanges. DFMGI, Dubai's Journal Index, had a strong day opening at 4,652. It briefly touched a low of 4,649 but ended the day up by 1%, closing at 4,701. On 5-minute chart, you will notice DFMGI opened with a powerful green candle breaking the 4,677 level early on. After trading sideways for a bit, it dipped slightly to 4,666 but quickly rebounded and peaking at 4,689. By the end of the session, DFMGI made a new high and closed at 4,701. If the market breaks 4,701, we could see it challenge the next resistance at 4,725. On the downside, 4,678 should act as an immediate support, with further support at 4,664 and 4,655 if we see any pullback. Sectors driving DFM today includes real estate, obviously up by 3.739%, DFM Sharia Index up by 1.226%, industrials up by 0.939%. Now let's switch it over to FADGI, Abu Dhabi's Journal Index. FADGI faced its third consecutive day of decline, opening at 9,435, reaching a low of 9,417 and closing at 9,419. On a 5-minute chart, you will see it opened in red and touched a day's low but recovered. It climbed to 9,405 mid-session but in last 5 minutes closed near to day's low. I think FADGI will show recovery tomorrow and try to move towards 9,444. If 9,444 breaks, we could see it push towards 9,475 with 9,464 as a potential resistance. If it declines further, 9,410 and 9,395 will act as a support levels. Sectors performance for ADX are as follows: technology sector up by 2.64%, growth market up by 2.214%, real estate up by 0.963%. And lastly, some exciting news for IPO enthusiasts. Talabat, the well-known delivery company, is preparing to go public. Subscription period starts on November 19th and will close on November 27th. Make sure to stay tuned for detailed analysis video on Talabat's IPO. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated. That wraps up today's market analysis. Thanks for watching and as always, happy